Today, we're going to be investigating the relationship between the number of gas particles and pressure. We're going to be using the pressure sensors and the syringe again. So the first thing we want to do, this is going to be kind of the opposite of the volume experiment. So we want to change the number of particles in the syringe, but keep the volume the same. So I'm going to make my first volume something like 5. So I'll put my plunger at 5, then connect it to the pressure sensor. Now we need to keep volume the same every time. So the easiest constant volume to use is 10. So we're going to pull the plunger so that our volume goes back to 10. And then we're going to collect our data. And we're going to call this 5 units of particles because we had it at 5 milliliters initially. Then I'm going to disconnect the syringe again. I'm going to change my amount of particles. I'm going to do, let's say 7 this time. Reconnect it. Oops. Pull it out so that my volume is back at 10, and then keep that point. And I'm going to repeat this process till I have 10 data points. All right, now that we've got all 10 of our data points, once again, remember to record all of the data points in the data table in your notebook. But we can see that we have a nice linear trend to our data. Well, typically, anytime you have a linear trend to your data, you want to draw a line of best fit through it and find the equation for that particular line. In this case, we can make the software do that work for us. So I'm going to click this button down in the corner, and I'm going to click Apply Curve Fit. So you can see it draws a line through my data, and then I'm going to click Apply. So here it gives us the information for our line. So our slope, our m, is like about 9.3, and our y-intercept is about 7.1. So along with the data table, sketch a picture of this graph and record the equation for the line in your notebook.